This reaction is requested by Lee Mark. I appreciate you for commenting. Thank you. I'm gonna actually see what this is about, man. It's some choreography, so let's get straight to it. Let's get it. What is up, my beautiful subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. But if this is your first time actually clicking on one of my videos, consider subscribing down below and make sure you hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload. Today we're doing a reaction to Airplane Choreography. It's supposed to be hilarious by Kaycee Rice, so that's what we're about to do. I'm gonna throw it on the screen. Bye, let's go. Okay, straight into it. Yeah. Okay, little stretches. Let's see.
Astro.
Okay, on point. Astro.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess when you're on the plane, you really can't do much, but we about to see.
Freezing cold. That's how we already know.
Hey.
When it's
okay,
here,
pass it off.
Will
Yeah.
probably do it for Louis Bell. That's just all he know. He don't know nothing else. I tried to show him.
Okay. I want the window seat when I'm on the plane. Yeah.
I tried to show him.
Okay. Hey.
Yeah.
You got like limited.
Yeah.
Limited space.
Going on you with the pick and roll.
Hey.
Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
Okay, they hooked each other. Okay, that's pretty cool. Hey, we can literally make videos anywhere.
Jump out boys, that's Nike boys hopping our coast. This shit way too big when we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at post.
I like this, I like this.
Had to hit my old town to duck the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves.
Let's go, let's see it.
Man, I'm back up popping with the
Did she like do a little milli rock? Yeah.
Mixes pop like Jamba Joe's, different color chains. Think my jeweler really selling fruits, and they joking, man. You know the crackers wish it was a news. Someone said,
look at it. I wonder who has the camera. Okay, on the plane.
Someone said,
hey. I think they're just like.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit.
Okay, on point.
Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them
on. Way, that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope.
Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo.
Hey.
Told her hop in, you coming too.
I wonder if they like plan this out, cause they are too good with it.
Have to slot the top off, it's just a roof. She say where we going, I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room.
Who's the girl on the left? I don't know. Y'all need to tell me.
It's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. Someone said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. Someone said,
okay. Back to normal, back to normal.
Someone said, motherfucker. Someone said,
hey. I like this. Who knew you could do all these moves while being in like a seat? Yeah.
Astro.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hey.
Alright.
She's in love with who I am.
Yep.
Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light.
What are those? I never been like on a plane like only one time. Okay, they fell asleep. Yeah, they killed it, man. To be continued. Maybe I gotta do a part 2. Lee Mark did tell me to do a part 2, so we're gonna see. If you made it all the way to this part of the video and you want a part 2, let me know in the comment section down below, man. I will definitely do a part 2. Be sure to check out these 2 videos and click on my face to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're on a mobile, make sure you swipe up, check out my other videos down below. And with that being said, remember to be yourself, don't change for no one, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.